Welcome to Condal, the leading multi-brand body shop group in Spain, providing an exceptional experience across our entire value chain. Condal is always within reach. Our network spans strategically located facilities throughout the province of Barcelona. Condal's leadership is reflected in 16 workshops covering nearly 80% of the Barcelona province, with more than 40,000 square meters of facilities and a team of more than 300 professionals, performing more than 26,000 repairs annually, resulting in 286,514 build hours. Our customer portfolio is composed of insurance companies, vehicle leasing companies, car rental fleets, dealerships, and services to businesses and private individuals. The financial data speaks for itself. Condal continues to grow year after year, with a projection for 2024 of more than 26,000 repairs and over 25 million in revenue. Our added value is reflected in efficiency and quality, with an average repair time of 4 days. Our contact center centralizes the entire workshop network, handling more than 150,000 calls annually. Our additional services further demonstrate this commitment, providing over 270 replacement vehicles, offering a chauffeur service and vehicle pickup and delivery service for those in need. Each vehicle receives a full cleaning after every repair, and we provide a lifetime repair warranty on all bodywork and paint repairs. All repairs are subjected to a quality control and review of the main mechanical points. Committed to sustainability and environmental care, we choose to repair rather than replace whenever possible, specializing in processes that reduce costs for our clients. The following graphs compare industry data with Condal, highlighting our cost efficiency due to the lower volume of part replacements we perform. The customer journey at Condal begins at the vehicle reception, through our call center, by direct management with the client's insurer, or by direct request from the client. The logistics between workshops are activated. Our drivers and vehicle carriers optimize the location of the repairs, ensuring the group's efficiency and repair times. Thanks to our centralized appraisal department, we evaluate the damage accurately, ensuring repairs that meet the specific needs of each vehicle. Damage repair is the next step in our process. We keep the client informed at every stage, reaffirming our commitment to transparency and communication. All repairs are subjected to a rigorous quality control, using LED light tunnels at the end of each repair. The journey culminates with the delivery. The vehicle can be picked up directly by the client or a home delivery service. We value transparency with our clients, periodically providing reports on repairs made to insurers and large fleets, delving into an analysis of average costs, detailing repair hours, materials replaced, and paint used. Looking toward the future, our plan envisions expansion with 11 new workshops in strategic locations, broadening our coverage radius in the Barcelona province. Condal, more than 40 years of quality and excellence. We move forward.